In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable add-ons to a listing type in Tangram. Add-ons are used if you as a seller or a platform want to have an upsell that's presented to the customer in the checkout flow. A common example in services might be maybe you want to upcharge for traveling to the customer, or maybe you want to upcharge for more materials that are used in the service. Then you can enable the add-ons by going to the wrench icon in the bottom left of the admin account in your Tangram account, go to listing types, and for each listing type that you want add-ons to be an option in the checkout flow, you would click the three dots next to the appropriate listing type. In this case, there's just one called listing. We would then go to the permissions tab and check the box for enabling what's called the advanced payment builder. This enables add-ons to give more granular pricing options when you're creating listings, and in turn, those pricing options will show on checkout. If we check that box, hit save, and then go to create a listing or edit a listing like deep tissue massage, aroma therapy facial, we will see a tab has been added to the right-hand side of the first page where you usually fill out all the listing details, where you can add add-ons. Currently, you have to contact the Tangram team to change the terminology on these pages without using custom code if it's not something you're comfortable doing on your own, but a common request we have at the moment is changing this for certain situations to say fees or shipping fees, depending on the type of marketplace that you're operating with, if add-ons doesn't quite make sense. But for a service marketplace, it's pretty intuitive what add-ons do. You click plus new to create a new add-on. Maybe for aromatherapy facial, you say that it's going to cost an additional $50. This would be multiple choice. The label of the add-on might be hot towel treatment. And we can decide if this add-on is required for booking or not. It's not required for booking, so I'm not going to check that box right here. I'll hit save, and then I can add pricing options. If they say yes, they want a hot towel treatment, I want to charge more. If they say no, then it costs nothing extra. So I'll click add pricing options. I will say yes, please, as one of the options, in which case it's an additional $50. And I'll say no thank you as the second multiple choice option in that add-on dropdown. And that will cost $0 extra if they decide that they don't want the hot towel treatment. Now that we've created those pricing options, if we go to the checkout page for this aromatherapy facial listing, it'll ask me yes please or no thank you, and based on selecting yes, it'll add on the $50 to the base price of the service. Please note that is the default design page in Tangram. You can custom design those pages in Webflow, and feel free to check out other tutorials on how to do so. As you can see here, the base price is listed on the right-hand side of the last page of checkout, where you ultimately enter your credit card. It added on that $50 and shows the subtotal, and then any additional taxes and fees that are charged will be incorporated in this card as well.